Hello family, how you guys doing? Well, today I decided to make a greedy lady healthier meals diet video. And today I'm making me some spaghetti. And this time I'm going to mix my zucchini noodles, my zucchini spaghetti spiral noodles into the sauce gently. This is my sauce cooking. I don't have my little light, so you probably can't see it all that well, but that's my spaghetti sauce I'm cooking with lots of herbs, spice, seasonings. um, Let me see. Oh, losing my train of thought. Okay, here are my zucchini noodles. I have them on a broiler. What I'm going to do, I don't know if people do this or not, but I'm just going to try this. This is a experiment. I'm trying to dry these noodles out some because you know when I steam them they are kind of juicy, watery. So I'm just going to see if I can put them in the oven for a little bit and try and dry them out a little so they don't have so much liquid in them. So they won't be so juicy. I want them dry. So I'm going to put them in the oven on 350. I don't know how many minutes because this is my first time doing this. So, sharing an experiment. I don't know if people do this to dry the noodles out. I know you can do a dehydrator, but I don't want to do that. I'm just trying to get a little of the water out of them. And then also for today's Greedy Lady Healthier Meals diet, I have made a green salad. I put some green leaf lettuce, char. I have some tomato, cucumbers, radishes, and also my husband and I, we like a little sweet taste in our salad, so this time I put some mango in our salad. And he likes boiled eggs on his. I learned my lesson. Boiled eggs give me indigestion, but scrambled eggs don't. Go figure. There's something in eggs when they're boiled, but I don't get heartburn when they're scrambled. I don't know why, but that's how it is. But anyway, this is what I'm making, sharing with you guys today. When I complete the dish, I'll come back and let you see, and then I'll also just have pictures in the video along with some great music that I use from I get it from the YT audio department. Y'all want to know where the music come from? If it says free, you know, you can put the title of, I don't know, I'm rambling on. Anyway, I will be back with the finished product, and hopefully I don't lose this footage because I had made a video and I lost all the footage when I made that beef with the excuse me. When I made the beef with the noodle, I was over the stove and I lost some footage. I don't know, I pressed the button and I deleted everything. But anyway, hopefully this is recording. And what else? Oh, I also want to say thank you all the new supporters, all my returning supporters, family, keep watching. YT members, subscribers, keep watching. If you like what I'm doing, don't forget to share with your friends. Then tell them to come on over and subscribe, share the video, leave beautiful comments, give me a thumbs up if you want to. Use your own preference, whatever you want to do. But I hope you're enjoying my videos. And yes, my name is Janita, and I do several things on my channel. Check out some of my playlists, and you guys see what I do. All other things that I do, that I dabble in. And what else? Something I was gonna say. Oh yeah. My garden update. I'll have another garden update in a little bit, next day or something, because show you guys the progress of my sunflowers seeds sprouting, as you can see in my last video I shared. But anyway, yeah, I wanted to tell y'all that, and I hope you guys checking out my gardening update videos. And just check out my other playlist. Y'all want to see what other stuff I do if you're interested. Enjoy my channel. And don't forget, give me a holler when you want me to come by and see your new videos. Hopefully you guys turn on the notification. Go to settings and turn on your notifications. That way you can see every time somebody puts something up. You won't miss it unless you're not on the YT. But, you know, put me in your notification however that works. Add me, whatever. Click on the bell. That's what it is. Click on the bell so you can get all the notifications. I know I've clicked on all of you guys' bell. So give me a holler. If you look like I ain't coming by often enough, just give me a holler. Come on over there and holler at me. And don't forget to watch my video at least over 3 minutes, or however, if it's short, you know, give me 2 minutes, 3 minutes, something. Just watch a little bit, see what I'm doing, see what Jadita doing at least. Don't just come over here and just give me a thumbs. Well, I would like a thumbs up, but just look and see what I'm doing. Because when I come to y'all channel, best believe, like I say, I'm watching. Full watch, but not them long ones, because I don't have time for over 30 minutes or whatever, whatever. I'm rambling again, but I'm giving you some important information about how I roll, what I do, how I do it. And I am enjoying you guys' videos. Thanks for sharing. And when you come to my channel, thanks for your great visits, and thanks for watching. And give me a thumbs up. And remember, hope you guys have a healthy meal today. And if you do any gardening, let me know. I love gardening and crafts. All right? I'll be back when the meal is prepared, finished cooking. Bye. Oh, yeah, family. I just want to share with you guys. I know you always see me making food with my zucchini, noodles, what have you. And I just want to say, you guys stable. Well, this is my staple now. My zucchini noodles are my zucchini vegetables, stuff like that, because I can't eat the grains, corn, wheat, gluten, all that stuff. So I have to get an alternative, and this is one of my favorite alternatives, vegetable noodles. Now, some of y'all might be complaining, oh, why you always use those noodles? Well, look at it this way. You guys have your staples you use all the time: rice, potatoes, and pasta. You continue to use those things to eat your meals with. So I'm continuing to use my vegetables as an alternative to pasta, grain pastas, white rice, potatoes. This is healthier and a better choice for me, for my body, because I have autoimmune diseases, allergies, and so forth. So I just want to share this with you guys, and I'm giving you a look in the pot of my spaghetti made with zucchini noodles. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, family, I have finished preparing my meal. Here's my spaghetti, zucchini noodle spaghetti, and my green leaf mango salad. Isn't it beautiful? Look at all the colors in my salad, and my delicious meat sauce mixed in with my zucchini noodles. I am going to enjoy this today, and I'm glad I'm sharing it with you all. Hopefully you guys are trying out those vegetable noodles, because they are delicious. Just remember, you have to kind of like drain them, because they are juicy. They will have a lot of moisture. So you have to, you know, dry them out. Oh, I did put them in the oven for 15 minutes. It helped a lot, but it still was a little juicy, but it did help dry up some of that juice. They were getting a little crispy, so if I got little crispy bites in my noodles, I'm all for it. Texture is everything in cooking. Texture, flavor. Yes. So, my cooking queens and kings, I am not a chef. I am not a cook. But I am sharing the meals that I'm cooking for my Greedy Lady Healthier Meals diet, because I changed my diet because of health issues, and I'm doing much better. Yes, I'm losing weight. Yes, with my conditions, indigestion and pains and all that stuff, are much better, way better. And I'm still eliminating foods out of my diet that give me heartburn and indigestion. Like I said, I don't eat boiled eggs, but I can eat scrambled eggs. Go figure. But anyway, and I know that some foods I can't eat them every day or quite often. It's all right sometimes. So there's the temporary menu, the limited edition menu, because if I eat too much, it will affect me in a few days or whatever. So if you guys following along, thank you very much. And have a healthier diet meal yourself, you guys. Take care of your bodies, take care of you, and do it before you get sick. All right, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and see you in a minute.